In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to store operating procedures or SOPs in Asana. Asana is a powerful tool that can help you streamline your team's workflow, and by organizing your SOPs within it, you can ensure consistency and efficiency in your operations. Let's dive into how you can do this effectively. First, you'll need to log into your Asana account. Once you're in, start by creating a dedicated project for your SOPs. Click on plus new project and choose the blank project option. Give it an intuitive name like Team SOPs or Operations Playbook. This project will function as the central hub for all your standard operating procedures. Ensure you pick the right view that suits your team's needs. The list view will provide a clear structured outline, whereas the board view allows you to categorize SOPs conveniently. Choose whichever format aligns best with your preferences or organizational needs. After setting up your project, it's time to organize your SOPs by using sections or columns. In list view, you'll utilize sections, and in board view columns, you might want to create categories like marketing SOPs, sales SOPs, HR and onboarding, and IT and support. Each task within these sections will represent a single SOP. This systematic arrangement will not only keep your SOPs organized, but will also make them easily accessible when needed. Then, move on to writing your SOPs as tasks within Asana. For each procedure, create a new task. Use clear and detailed titles such as "How to onboard a new employee." In the task description, outline the steps precisely. Specify the purpose, list the tools required, offer detailed step-by-step instructions, and include links to relevant resources like Google Docs, PDFs, or Loom videos. If a procedure involves several steps owned by different individuals, consider adding subtasks for those components. This granular approach will foster clarity and accountability. If you have procedures that staff are likely to execute repeatedly, consider converting these SOPs into task templates. Incorporate any necessary subtasks, due dates, and assignees at this stage. This way, each time a team member needs to follow a specific SOP, they can simply duplicate the template, saving time and ensuring consistency. To further enhance clarity and navigability, add custom fields to your SOPs. You might include fields like department, priority, review frequency, be it monthly, quarterly, or yearly, and owner to show who is responsible for updating the SOP. These fields empower you to filter and sort through your procedures efficiently. Next, make your SOPs actionable by incorporating rules. Navigate to customize, then select rules. You can set up automation such as automatically assigning a manager when an SOP is marked ready for review, or moving a task to the review section when it has a status of needs update. This proactive measure ensures that your SOPs remain relevant and up to date. Finally, make sure to share and train your team. Add all team members as collaborators so they can easily access the SOPs whenever necessary. Pin crucial SOPs to the project overview for quick reference, and encourage the use of comment threads for any questions or clarifications. By following these steps, you'll successfully organize and manage your SOPs in Asana.